As schools across India shut during the COVID-19 pandemic, the country's dropout rate more than tripled from 1.8% in 2018 to a staggering 5.3% in 2020. Education has been a key component to major development changes over time and between countries. Looking the situation of the rural areas, Sri Rajabhau Deshmukh, the chairman of Janavikas Shikshan Sanstha, and Sri Girish Shah, the founder of G.A. Shah English School, a well-known school of Salod, took a very bold decision to start a new school, Deccan International School in Salod in 2021. To start a school was very hard and difficult. We faced many challenges like space, admissions, staff, online teaching facilities, and etc. But it is very well said, winners never quit and quitters are never winners. We won by setting up the school initially in one marriage hall and now in coming with a huge campus of 5 acres on Bharadi Road. At school, pupils acquire knowledge and skills that will eventually help them to find their own place in society. सध्या डेक्कन इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलमध्ये प्ले ग्रुप ते इयत्ता 10वी पर्यंत वर्ग आहेत आणि जिल्ह्याच्या विविध भागातील विद्यार्थ्यांनी जीवनाच्या विविध क्षेत्रात उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करण्यासाठी शाळेची निवड केली आहे.
I am so proud to be a part of Deccan International. This school provides me a lot of opportunities which help me for my overall development, such as arts, education, culture and scientific activities. Lastly, I would like to thank Jan Vikas Educational Society. Thank you.
शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टतेव्यतिरिक्त मुलांमध्ये संवाद कौशल्य, नेतृत्व गुण आणि सर्वांगीण वाढ यावर देखील लक्ष केंद्रित केले जाते, जे त्यांना जीवनातील कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या अडथळ्यांवर मात करण्यास मदत करेल. डेक्कन इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल ही मूल्ये मुलांमध्ये बिंबविण्याचा प्रयत्न करते, जेणेकरून आपण भावी पिढीसाठी एक चांगला समाज ठेवू शकतो. सध्या डेक्कन इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलमध्ये शिकवणारे 28 शिक्षक अत्यंत अनुभवी आणि समर्पित आहेत. त्यांचे कठोर परिश्रम आणि वैयक्तिक मार्गदर्शन केवळ शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करण्यातच नव्हे तर जीवन कौशल्य निर्माण करण्यातही मोठी भूमिका बजावत आहेत. लोकेशन अँड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. The school is located away from the busy town of Salod on Bharadi Road. The peaceful atmosphere, scenic beauty, and aesthetic structures of the campus induced the best from every student who chooses to be in this abode of wisdom and learning, giving utmost importance to the students' comfort and safety. The infrastructure is impeccable and well built. When it comes to facilities, Deccan International School has it all. Digital classroom, Science and Computer Lab. The science and computer labs at this school are state-of-the-art facilities that provide students with the tools and resources that they need to excel in their studies. Libraries. Our library is stocked with an extensive collection of books, journals, and other reading materials to support the students' academic pursuits.
DIS, my school. I am so proud to be the student of Deccan International School. Here I see beautiful atmosphere to learn every day of my life. My teachers help me to learn my true individuality to the best ways of learning. Lastly, I would like to thank all my teachers for supporting me in my whole journey.
Extracurricular activities. There are a variety of clubs and organizations for students to join, including sports team, music and dance, karate, art club, and more. Dance. For those interested in dance, the school offers both classical and western dance classes. Music. At our school, the music program is a vibrant experience, blending theory, instrument proficiency, and creative expression. Agricultural learning. Through agricultural projects, students develop essential leadership skills as they collaborate with peers, make informed decisions, and take responsibilities for their assigned tasks. Robotics. Explore the world of robotics at Deccan International Schools, where technology and innovation meet comprehensive education. At our school, we are more than just an educational institution. We are a family, and we welcome you to join and experience all that Deccan International School has to offer.
All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Being a principal of Deccan International School, I want to promote everything and best for the students of our Deccan International. I and the management aims to give a big and high class infrastructure for each and every student of remote areas like Sillur, so that the parents, those who strive and go for the better education and better infrastructure to the cities, they should have that into their native place. We have a very stable, standard and educated staff which gives a good education to our students and which is the base of our school. Our management, Shri Rajabhahu Deshmukh sir and Girish Shah sir, aim to give a high class infrastructure, and I am confident enough that they will give you the best. Students will be successful in their lives. So let us sacrifice our today for the betterment of our students tomorrow. So I welcome you all to my Deccan International School, and I promise you that whatever your expectations related to the education will be completely fulfilled by the education by Deccan International School. We have a young directors and the management, those who are striving to give their best in their villages so that their students will not leave their villages and go to the city just to get a good education and high class education. So welcome you all. Thank you very much.